Okay, so this was the trade of today. Which is 15th of May. And this is Indian stock market and the stock name is IEX, that is Indian Energy Exchange. So in the previous day, our analysis was like this. So price was clearly coming from this bearish fair value gap with this bearish candle, and so we were bearish up to this drawn liquidity, right? So based on that, today we were bearish, and so this is the chart of today's morning. This is a ranging chart, as you can see. So initially what the market did is, first it takes the previous day high, this blue line, and then created this low and then this high. So we can say that this low is responsible for creating this high. And so when this low is broken by this big push to the downside, big bearish candle, we are saying that this is a market structure shift. This is a market structure shift. And so we also observed that we had a bearish fair value gap here. So we took our trade from here. So price was inside this range, and so my position was from here, and then the stop loss was just above this high. Target was previous day low, which is the red line here. So now, as you can see, price first came here and then reacting from this order block, it went down quite a bit. So I was expecting that it will come to my target. So almost 1.5:1 was achieved here, but after that it was taken in the opposite direction, and then by that time I was thinking that I will avoid all kinds of losses as far as possible, because the market, as you can see, is under too much pressure or under too much volatility or randomness, or I mean tension, nervousness, whatever you can say. So small profits, taking small profits and quick in and quick out is the best strategy according to me in this situation. So as you can see here, in the domestic market, India VIX, this is the chart of India VIX, and it is in the daily chart. You can see it is a quite a rally, and when this type of chart is found in India VIX, that means the market is actually under quite a lot of tension and nervousness, and so it is difficult to expect that market will run in one direction for a long time. Anyway, so what I did was I was trailing my stop loss. So first I trailed my stop loss here, then I trailed my stop loss to the break even, and you can see that it took my break even stop loss here at this point, and so this was a break even trade. So no profit, no gain. Obviously I lost few monies because of the trading cost, but ignoring that, it was a break even trade.